Hi guys. So for today guys, I'm going to harvest some of the where are you going? Some of the green beans. Okay. But I saw something here. Don't go there. Just in here, guys. So you can harvest you. So I got here. Let's harvest this. One more. Got plenty of flowers. As you can see, the purple one. That's the flowers, guys. Okay. Over here it's still producing even if it's cold in here right now. So let's harvest more, and then I grow more also, guys. Look at that. I hope that it's still okay before winter comes, oh, see. So over here, yeah, we need to harvest this right now. What about you? Not yet ready? This one is ready. Guys, you need to climb in here. Climb in here. Climb. So I can still harvest you guys, So that's a lot of flowers. Wow, I got cherry tomatoes over there. Oh my god. Wow. And then I got over there too, guys, as you can see at the back. So I just grabbed that at the back. Or I just harvest that at the back. In here, let's go farther. I got one in here, as you can see my hands. Yay! No, look at that. So let's harvest this. This is small. And over here too, let's harvest this one. This one is a long beans, guys. Okay. So you think this one is I trim this, guys, all the leaves. I remove all the leaves, so because we just need this how you call that, their fruits, no, so we don't need that, so that's still okay. So let's go to the other side. But for over there, guys, I harvest that later at the very end, okay, because they're outside. I can't get up. So next is over here. Over here. Over here. Harvest, harvest, harvest. So still small, but they're okay na. They're fine. Wow, I got plenty in here. You see, right? Next is over here. So wait a minute. Okay, guys, so here's our harvest for today. Not bad, diba? Siyempre natay kuan watermelon. So kanina yellow na ni. Ay naku, gumuwat nila. Diba? So mangita pa ta, guys, itong ma-harvest. Okay? Mangita pa ta. Let's find more. Okay, guys. So mag-pruning na naman tayo. Let's pruning some of the leaves that it's already old, so it looks nice in here, guys. So this is what I did. Prune remove all the old leaves, as you can see. So sometimes you need to pruning also, so they just produce a lot of flowers, guys. Okay, prune is the key to improve their fruits or more fruits. Okay, dogs, I just learned this one, guys, from other. So I tried this already last time. I prune all the leaves, so but it's work, guys, so why not, right? So why not coconut? So they said, why not coconut? So pruning is the key. So here, prune, let's prune that. So we don't have something to worry in here. It's prune, looks like this one is totally, yep. So let's cut that, and then they can produce more. Okay, dogs. So prune is the key. Let all the older only, guys. All right, just like this. Yung ready to turn into yellow, so it's the best thing. Okay, but extra careful, guys, maybe you cut the stem. Oh, look at the baby, huh? So see, every time I prune them, guys, they produce a lot of fruits. So I'm happy about it. I'm happy about also here. Just remove, guys, because I already prune, no? So just remove all the leaves that I already cut. But this one, let's cut this because I know that's old. And wait in here, down below. Oh, so see, as you can see, it looks nice now. So let's take that out. Sorry about that, guys, it's so closer. Let's like take that wide. So let's clean this in here. So we'll see what it looks like, right? Let's prune that. Okay, it's already old, so it's better to prune talaga, guys. You know, sayang ang mga leaves. We can eat these leaves, but it's already old, so we can't now. But that's still okay because we got plenty. Yeah. This one somebody ate it, so let's prune this. Over here. So I know where's the old. Oh, just like I said, extra careful. So I cut the ay nako, I cut the string, guys. I suppose it's not. Ay nako, see,